In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Discord access from your Whop account. If you've ever linked your Discord to Whop for role management, membership access, or bot-powered perks, there may come a time when you want to revoke that connection. Maybe you're switching accounts, tightening your privacy settings, or just cleaning things up. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and I'll add a few helpful notes along the way so there are no surprises. Start by signing into your Whop account. I recommend doing this in a desktop browser for the clearest view, though it also works on mobile. Make sure you're logged into the correct Whop account, especially if you manage multiple memberships or creator dashboards. Once you're in, head to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile icon or name in the corner of the page, then selecting Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Connected Accounts. This is where Whop shows all the third-party services you've linked to your profile. In the Connected Accounts list, scroll until you see Discord. If Discord doesn't appear here, it likely means there's no active connection on this account, and you're already good to go. If you do see Discord listed, you're in the right place to remove access. Next to Discord, you'll see an option to remove or disconnect. The exact wording can vary depending on the interface, but they do the same thing. They break the link between Whop and your Discord account. Click that button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify that you want to proceed. Take a quick moment to read the message so you understand what's changing. Confirm the action, and Whop will immediately revoke Discord's access. This does not delete your Discord account or your Whop account. It simply removes the connection between them. After confirmation, you should see that Discord is no longer listed under connected accounts. That's your visual cue that the link has been successfully removed. From this point on, Whop will not be able to read your Discord information or manage roles associated with your memberships. If any of your memberships rely on a Discord link to grant or maintain server roles, those roles may be removed or may stop updating, which is expected behavior after disconnecting. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed Discord access from your Whop account. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same connected accounts area and link Discord again in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your connected apps with confidence.